Hello everyone and welcome back to my another video. In that lesson we are going to learning about how to download Office 2016. So let's get started into our main video. Firstly, we need to open our this PC in our desktop and then I am going to that drive and I give you this file to download the Microsoft Professional Plus. So click here and then here is the setup. You don't look that setup.exe file. So click here and then a Microsoft setup booster will come. Yes, click yes and then wait a minute for come. When it's done, click here I accept the terms and this agreement and then continue it and click here install now. Now the installation progress completing and then we are going to in our Excel. So that take a moment to install the Microsoft 2016. Firstly, we are going to give this file in your desktop and then you install in that video and you enjoy your Excel file. So okay, now here is the right code. Installation is progress. Wait a bit.
This Microsoft company has a good solution to improve our Excel in our computer. Okay, here is our bar progress. Wait. Okay. I'm installing. Another minutes. It says installing Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016. We are going to make in part 2 how to make power pivot. So this video coming in 2-3 minutes. Now the Excel has been completed when it's ready. Wait another little bit more. You can drag here and you can select here. Okay guys. Now installing. Another installing. Now it's 78% ready. Okay guys, it might take a long. It had Excel Word and more items, so it take a long time. Okay. That was done in 2-3 minutes.
Okay. Now it says this may take a few minutes. Finalizing installation. Now when you go to that here and search here Excel, here is our Excel file. Got it. Open here and there is our Excel. Okay. And there is our Excel completed. You can click here and then you customize your Excel file in that tutorial. So guys, I will give that file in my description if you want. So this is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button to get more support. Assalamualaikum.